Hi friend, Ashish here. I am a yoga practitioner. So I want to discuss today on a topic Ashram Dharma, the phases of life. What is Ashram Dharma? So in Indian philosophy, the life is distributed into four parts. For example, if a person's life is 100 years old, so it will be divided into four parts, 25 years each. Each parts having some rules, regulations and some norms, practices. So in this way, the primary part means from 1 year to 25 year, that will be called as Brahmacharya ashram. The period of Brahmacharya ashram, in which a student study from his guru, or he take study, he he indulge in knowing things to his surroundings, scriptures, Vedas, Puranas, or any kind of education. Basically education. You are gaining education, it's your. So that period, that student life is your Brahmacharya ashram. Now, the second phase from 25 years to 50 years, it would be called that you are in a Grihastha ashram. You have to marry and give birth to a baby, lead a lifestyle of a Grihastha ashram where you have a family, you are earning something, you are doing your duty towards your family. So you understand what I want to say. It's a Grihastha ashram. You are living like a householder. In one sentence if you say. You are living like a householder. Now, after 50 years to 75 years, the third stage of your life, that is Vanaprastha ashram. You have to give up your all your duties to your son, to your next generation, and give him all your basically your property, hand it to your son, and you follow spiritual stuffs. Earlier it was said that you went to Guru's ashram, follow Guru's principles, rituals and all. But there are some some confusion in this topic. But the reality is that you have to indulge yourself in spirituality. You just, as much as you can, go to ashram, follow some saint, principles, scriptures, philosophies, yoga, Indian philosophies. Just go through that. So it's a Vanaprastha ashram. After that, from 75 years to 100 years, it's a sannyas ashram. You have to surrender your all things, all your belongings, and go to jungle or go to Himalaya or go to any place. You surrender to God, to higher reality. It's a sannyas ashram. Different people practice differently, but the motive of this ashram is to surrender everything, in fact your body also, to God, because after 75 your body will also not help you, give you the proper response. So in that way surrender your all everything to higher reality, and by this way you cross your three stages, and in fourth stages you leave your body. So like this, the ashram dharma was in Indian philosophy. I hope you like my sharing, my knowledge. If anything you want to say, please tell me. Thank you, friend.